we're going to go do some gymnastics. It's been a while. It's actually been a very long time.
Well, no, because whatever. Shall I go?
So good.
Jogging. I'm not.
It has been so long since I've got anything out here and used it. We got it out the other night because obviously we got it out from the loft. Yeah, man, I haven't used anything out of my gym bag in a hot minute. I think it might be 2 years at this point. I am really excited. It's been a long time. This is a random vlog, by the way. Hi, hello, my name's Jay. I haven't said any of these things yet because pretty much. I haven't vlogged in like a month now, so I'm out of practice again. But let's go do some flips and shit.
Oh no.
Yeah, I got that.
Wait, is it that finger?
It's yeah, middle finger pinching or something. I don't know.
I'm always low-key insecure that I'm not elegant enough to be a woman. Move to the channel. Elegant deceiving. So cool. Wait, did you hurt your wrist?
No, it's I'm 10 kilos heavier.
Super brain.
But another tap. Rolling back on the pole. Work out this. It's like that.
Hell yeah, brother.
I might make it. How fast?
Oh, here we go.
2028. It's 2020. Yeah, it will be 2028. I ain't got a fucking chance. I said too much shit about British gymnastics. My wrists are going to be so bad for the next couple of days.
Oh, kiss and bath.
Right, the last time I did a handstand dismount.
Give me a clap. Shove it.
I don't want to talk on my camera. I think the last time I did a successful handstand dismount.
Didn't go well?
No, it was fine. I'm just trying to remember.
Listen. Listen.
Might have been 2019.
I believe in you.
It's not, I don't read myself, that's just how long it's been. 5 years. I believe. This is it. One more.
Yeah.
One more.
Huh?
It's irking me.
What?
Huh?
What?
I can't do it. I haven't done it in like 5 goes then. It has been about 5 years.
Nothing to prove here, babe.
Huh?
Nothing to prove here.
I'm trying to talk about it. Talk of Thursday. What you did? The thing we don't. Did it though? Oh. No. Which is.
I felt an extra step in. There you come.
Wait.
How did it?
Oh, good. It's like that.
The road stays down.
That was a twist. I only wanted to do full twist. Yeah, do you have fun at gymnastics?
Yeah, I did actually. I did. It was nice to do something different and scary. I don't know why it felt scary. Maybe like socially scary. Scary to be bad at something I've never done before, obviously. Which is really bizarre, isn't it? Like, why do we expect ourselves to be good and then we're annoyed at ourselves when we're not good, but we haven't done it before? Had fun with you. Loved watching you do your thing. That was really cool to see. I feel like it's sad that I never got to see you when you was like in gyms. I'd have been the best cheerleader for you.
You were a good cheerleader tonight.
Yeah. Also, I feel like we've done like quite a lot of work on my feet.
Yeah, the bouncy
Nice
bouncy.
to feel like that bounce on. I felt excited about bouncing around because my ankles have some level of stability these days.
Yeah.
How did you find it?
I enjoyed myself. I was impressed that I managed to do a pommel dismount, considering that I haven't been able to circle properly in like 5 years because I got so ridiculously wham when I retired, and I've lost a bit of muscle now. Yeah, it was nice. It was nice to be able to circle again. The thing that I was just upset about was there was no high bar, and I want to see some, you know, swinging and shit. But
The swingy roundy round.
yeah, I do a lot, and the rings just don't do it for me. So I'm never touching it.
They just look painful.
They are painful, so I don't want to do them. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. I enjoyed showing off to you. It's been a while since I've taken my top off on a vlog, I think. Yeah, I'm not the same as what I used to be, but
Whoa. No comparison. I actually find you more attractive in this body.
I will see you in the morning.
Yeah, good night.